Okay, hey, Mr. Excitement, Tom has a question. All right, Tom, would you like to ask the question?
On a windy day.
On a windy day,
Atmospheric
pressure decreases, increases, stays the same. Okay, let's look at this, okay? Now, we're going to make this very intuitive, our answer, okay? Now, do you agree this is the ground, okay? This is the ground, and there's Tom. Okay? There's the ground, and there's Tom. Okay? Yes? Now, do you see that this atmospheric pressure is vertical going towards the ground?
Yes.
Make sense? Okay, right? And in a sense, it's Pascal's principle too, because this is a fluid, and the pressure is coming down, and it's being equally distributed all around, on Tom, on here, all over, right? In all directions, right? Yes? Okay. Now, if it's a windy day, what's going to happen? Well, it's a windy day, it's going to go like this, right? What happens to the perpendicular pressure on a surface? What's the perpendicular pressures to the surface? In other words, these pressures here, right? I will draw in the perpendicular pressures, okay? Perpendicular pressures I'm drawing in black, okay? So that's the perpendicular pressures. Do you get that? Okay? Now, in orange, I'm going to draw in the wind. The velocity is going to be parallel to the ground. Okay? If the velocity of a fluid increases, what happens to the perpendicular pressures? Do they increase or decrease? Do they increase or decrease? Think of the shower curtain. Think of Bernoulli's principle with the wind.
Is that decrease? Is it decrease?
As the flow of air increases its velocity, the flow of air going from left to right increases its velocity. What's happening to the pressure?
It's decreasing.
It's decreasing. So as I increase this velocity, the orange, what's the pressure on the ground going to be? This is the ground. Can you see that? Is that too sloppy?
No, I can read it.
Can you see that? Okay. So in other words, here I have the ground. What happens? So the pressure on top of the scantron is less than the pressure on the bottom of the scantron, therefore it will go up. What principle is that? Starts with a B. Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's.
Whatever.
Okay?
The Italian dude. Sounds like a pizza.
Sounds like a pizza. Excellent. Remind me not to buy pizza where you buy pizza.
How's it?
We're done.
Maybe it's good pizza, you don't know.
Maybe it's good pizza. I think you're right.